There are several recall alerts ahead of Thanksgiving. Do not eat romaine lettuce from Salinas, California. It's been linked to an E. coli outbreak that sickened at least 40 people in 16 states, including Maryland. In Illinois, a company is recalling more than 500,000 pounds of pork products that were not inspected. A Mississippi company is recalling more than 170,000 pounds of chicken fried rice products, which may contain plastic pieces. Also, a hepatitis A outbreak in Indiana, Nebraska, and Wisconsin could be linked to blackberries from the Fresh Thyme chain of grocery stores.